like your lunch today? Alright, I'm hungry now. I mean, I want to give you some cold food. Lunch. You don't know what you want for lunch.
So much things for us, man. You can't figure it out.
So, like, you have some extra money on the side, so mine, you know?
Yes. Oh, Jesus.
Yo. Your name on a talk to you.
Huh?
What your friends are now? Look
Baby, what you do? I said she look jealous.
Yeah. Mommy, I call the phone and get the phone. I want go on. I want.
Ayo. I want to do that. I don't remember.
I play your chat, but anyway still. I'm glad I see you.
Why?
Because me have something to tell you.
So tell me.
I want you on the black, you know.
Which black?
You think a black one must make a house in the I want you on the black. On the ends. You know pick up.
Find your ends.
When I forward, man, you will see.
So I'm going to go forward, I'm going to go forward too.
Follow your leader, man. Roll. Roll.
Lord, what should I do? You see a pretty girl like me, though? No scratch. We never wait till break time or lunchtime, we go for bathroom.
So look bush you going over?
Be not easy.
What are this?
You know, I feel like my skin feel scratch. When me go in a class now, what me gonna do?
What I mean by pretty you walk through bush? You see pretty and you walk through bush. Yeah, so get used to it. And look at grass you going over. It a scratcher. Nothing a scratcher yet.
Really, me I talk to so?
Are you?
Pretty me?
Yeah, really?
Yeah,
Pretty you.
of course.
I mean I talk to so?
Yes.
Ugly me. Ugly me.
Anyway, where we going?
Where we going? Tell you already if you follow the leader. Imagine me up the sun and
no
come down.
no more
You couldn't go all man.
No.
Ungrateful. I want you. Something about you.
You know, just let me come through bush.
Poor thing, come on. Let's go. You not even know if it be romantic, you're just dumb.
Romantic in the bush.
Come on, look. You don't walk slow and tighty. Little grass. You can imagine little grass. You're full of yourself, man.
What do you mean?
You know, oh, watch me, I'll forget my senses because you're madness. Come on. Hold my hand.
Are you for go on? I don't know which part I
No,
go.
me I'll lead you. Go on.
Go on.
Go.
I don't know where I go. Go on.
Why? The place slippery, I'm going to have a job.
God, we can't come for some man.
Come, I'm going to make a job.
We can't come for some man.
Boy, you're just stubborn. Come on. Come on.
Go on.
Right. If he's going to make a job. Go easy, come on. Gosh.
So
Go. Yeah, I'll walk left me. You look like you know up here. I walk like you know a road, man. Look where you're supposed to walk. You're higher part. Yes, sir?
no way can press it first.
Oh, you're so no, man.
Como was me slick back there?
1 hour later.
Yeah, so I can't stand up for the talk. Guys, it's wild by a VS. So, how was it?
Great.
Think you guys are bad. I
You
ain't want to follow
surprised
me.
me.
I ain't want to follow me.
You surprised me, but me not come here so next time.
Okay, no problem. So, when can we do this again?
Tomorrow.
So fast!
So
Yeah,
you can here next
joking.
week or next month?
No? Well, I was hoping. What I do tonight?
Me can't go come tonight.
Alright, tomorrow then. Them time. Alright, so. Oh, let's go because probably class. School start.
Me and this a scratch in a class, I know.
This is enough of your business. You look at your big guy, friend.
Your friend me have to tell her.
You don't have to tell her about this.
But she gonna know.
Oh,
The me not talk.
But
I follow you.
But how she gonna know? She don't know say you follow me come over. You think me in the arch? I'm not have a bush to go through fence. Then go no. Alright, enough for this. We have to go to class. Come.
Alright.
We could eat that all run left me. But it's a more still. Boy, they can't style me again. But come to think of it though. Me tell this girl say what we do if he keep it to himself. And he tell me say his friend I don't know. Or his friend I don't know if he not tell him. But what a rat if he go tell him sir. Now I'm gonna get a chance with that one day. Now I'm gonna probably one more beat or fight. He will keep him out quiet.
I pray, my friend.
As you can see, I'm here studying.
Yeah,
Do you
study.
mind joining?
Can't study with it.
Sure.
But how are the Spanish?
Yeah.
No, so I know Spanish more I study though.
Then what do you want to study?
Get your language. So you say? Want to study about that one day?
Excuse me?
You get your language?
Is that a language?
Yeah?
Well, not in my... No, it's not.
I'm going to start with the way and I tell you say, you see for your subtopic now, I want to tell you say you're full of curve like number 8. For real, mama. I go on, get your language with you, isn't it? Because I see you a couple times on the radio, isn't it? Because I say, be things that are going around this one around that. You know, they're like a corner there. Yeah, isn't it? So I can just next part that time in the new style.
Get me language?
Yeah.
No, I'm not here for this. I'm here to study. I'm here to learn things. I'm not here to look man.
Then, you're here for money, you know. But then again, you can't make Espanol stress you out. You're going to some little time to release the stress.
Actually, it's not stressing me.
How
It's
comes?
not. Because this is actually my favorite subject. So why would my favorite subject stress me? As I said before, I don't want a boyfriend. So do me a favor and leave me there alone.
You can be a get you language partner.
I don't want anyone. Fine.
Fine.
Yeah.
No man. No, you can't say you want to rub down every now and then.
Can you stop? I'm not comfortable with this.
Why?
Do I have to give you a reason for everything?
Yeah.
I said I'm not comfortable. I'm just not comfortable.
Alright then, Zelda. You see me? I know some might fall off on the wrong foot, you see me? Take a blame for that, you see me? So what you know now? Or I could just take off a boy off of the friend and maybe later we can study by hands. You see me? So that way I take a blame for approach you certain way, you see me? So I can help you with the Espanol.
Okay. I don't have a problem with you being my friend. He seems like a nice gentleman to me, so why not?
Yeah, so I say exchange numbers as I can call anytime.
Sure, but I don't take calls after 8.
Yeah, so what you know? Just when me get the number you see period, so that's me can ring you to see start.
Okay, no problem. There you go.
Alright, so I'm gonna ring you up, isn't it?
Sure, but I don't take calls after 8.
Yeah,
You call me, let's say, in the afternoon, you'll get me.
just go and keep your sexy self active, isn't it?
I will.
Alright, cute stuff.
Thank you. But this boy cute. Cha, no. I didn't come to school to have a man on my head. I came to learn. Then again, I think I like him. I think I should give him a chance. Okay. Probably if he approached me again about this, I will accept this time. Damn. This nigga is cute. And he's a gentleman. He knows how to treat a female right. Damn.
Hello, man. You good?
Hey, what's up?
Here, chilling. Lunchtime. I'm not even get for buying my lunch as yet. I thought you said you were sharing your lunch with me.
Sure, I'm still sharing my lunch with you.
I like that.
Okay.
You know, I really like how you stand up for me the other day, you know, because I was really in a dark space and you really helped me out a lot.
I'll always do that.
I like that. So,
I'm this kind of person though. I'm nice.
Yeah?
But it depends on who I'm nice to.
Yeah, but obviously you like me, that's why you're nice to me.
Like?
Yeah.
I'm not sure about that part.
Why you're not sure and the other day you sound so sure.
I guess I was in a good mood.
Good mood?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm very sure.
So it sounds like something changed.
Nothing has changed. It's the same me, the same Zelda you all know.
Okay. Alright, so what are you doing now?
I was actually studying before you came here, but since you said something about lunch,
Yeah.
I guess we should go straight to lunch break.
No problem. Let's go.